Does the gender of your eggplant matter? Well, it might sound strange, but not to Howard. He's making a baked macaroni and eggplant Neapolitan today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Hey, I've got a question for you. Do you know how to tell a male eggplant from a female eggplant? Nope, I'm not kidding. There really are male and female eggplants. And to tell the sex of an eggplant, you'll look at the indentation at the bottom. If it's a dash, it's female. If it's round, it's male. Male eggplants have fewer seeds, which makes them a little less bitter. So the next time you're at the store, pick up a few male eggplants and try this. We begin by cooking some ziti according to the package directions. While that's draining, we slice an eggplant into very thin slices and season them with some salt and garlic powder. Then we pan fry them until they're browned on each side and lay them out on some paper towel. Now we toss the pasta with some sauce and layer half of it into a baking dish. Over that goes some mozzarella cheese, half the eggplant, and a little Parmesan. Now we'll repeat this one more time and finish it off with more sauce and more cheese. What you end up with is layer after layer of cheesy Italian goodness. To get this easy change of pace recipe, all you have to do is visit our website and search for baked macaroni and eggplant Neapolitan. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we learned how to tell the sex of an eggplant and then turned it into a truly Italian way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Looks pretty tasty. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.